Good morning, Sharon here. I've got my glasses on and I'm about to put my hat on because it's really hot outside. Facebook are going a little bit crazy today. There's a convoy going down to Canberra and they are messing up feeds and lives, so I didn't want to do a live video today, so I've changed my tactics a little bit, as we have to do in the climate as it is right now. And I figured I'm going to do a video that I'm going to upload to Facebook, but today I'm going to show you my garden. A year ago, just over a year ago, I moved into this house and I started my own veggie garden, and I could see what was going to happen in the world, and I wanted to become as self-sufficient as possible. So it's really helped my mindset. I know most of my videos are about the subconscious mind and our mindset, and this is one of the things that I do on a daily basis to keep me sane, to keep me focused, to keep me grounded. I do my gardening barefoot. Did I get my foot up there? So I do my barefoot gardening and it just keeps me grounded. But I just wanted to show you what I've been doing over the last year, because it is one thing that just keeps me going. So I'm going to take you out to the garden. So come with me, and I'd love to know your garden experience as well. What are you growing right now? What do you do to keep you sane? So I'm going to stop this video and then I will show you my vegetables when I get there. I'm sure you don't want to see me walking there, so I'll see you in a minute. So here I am in my garden. It's a hot day here in Australia, so got to put my sun cream on, got to put my hat on, my glasses on, and look at this. Feel this peace. I live in this peace. This is why I love my garden. So when I first moved here, there was nothing here, there were no trees. So I've done all this in the last year, and I'm currently building steps up through here. But this is my vegetable garden, and over the weekend I put in 4 new beds. So they're just settling at the moment. But this is so simple to do, guys. I didn't know anything about gardening. I've always been a city girl. I've always bought my food from the supermarket, and I just thought, you know what, I really want to give this a go, and this is amazing. So I've got some cucumbers. I had so many cucumbers, and this is my second lot of cucumbers, so they are growing very nicely. And we've got sweet corn behind over here, and these are my second crop of tomatoes. And then we've got some zucchinis over here, and the marigolds. Did you know marigolds are beautiful? They keep the bugs away. So we've got marigolds and a bed of carrots down here, which are ready to pull, and my very sad looking scarecrow. We have more tomatoes here, 2 beds of, oops, 2 beds of them. And at the top here we've got some salad things. We've got celery, rhubarb, we've got chilies. And then I've made this little herb garden as well. So we're going up the stairs here, and these are all herbs. So they're my neighbour's dogs. So I'm learning now to grow my own food, to make my own teas, to be as self-sufficient as possible. And it's really helped my mental health. It's really coming out here, grounding, being in this peace every day when the world around us is crazy. Oh, we've put a water tank in as well. It's not very picturesque, so I'll stand down here where it's really beautiful, but this part of it's like a building site, so I'm walking barefoot on the building right now, so please excuse me. So yeah, this is it, and I wanted to show you. I've been wanting to get out here for so long, but my Wi-Fi doesn't come out this way. So the fact that Facebook are messing with lives right now gave me a great opportunity to come out here and just show you what's possible. As I said, I didn't know any of this a year ago, and it's one of the things that really keeps me feeling at peace in today's world. There's so much going on, there's so much stress, and we can choose to tap into that, or we can choose to tap into something else. And this is the something else that I choose to tap into. Growing my garden, growing my food, having that feeling of providing for my friends when they come around for dinner, and the people that I live with, or the person that I live with. It's such a satisfying feeling to be able to do that. So that's my video for today. I just wanted to show you and say that, you know, if I can do this, anyone can do this. I, for many years, was a party girl, and I had no idea what it was like in the country. I had no idea. Just look at my beautiful backdrop. Oh, I might have to move my hat out the way here. But I get to look at that every day. Whenever I come out the office and I have a tea break or a coffee break, this is what I get to look at and just listen to the tranquility. And I know many people at the moment are looking to get out of cities. And if you are thinking of doing that, I just would say just do it. It's the best thing that's happened to me. And I know that being in the city at the moment is very stressful. You know, most people are not going back to the offices anymore. If you're working in a corporate world, mostly you can live anywhere these days. And so I know this is a little bit of a different video to normal, but I'm actually enjoying being out here and using this as my office. It means that we can get creative with what we do. It means that we can live where we want to live, and we can still live in peace, even though the world around us is going crazy. So thank you for being here. I would love to know if you grow your own vegetables. What do you grow? What recipes do you have? I'd love to share some recipes. I've just got a book on herbal teas, so I'm just going to learn how to do that with all my herbs. So I might actually, if you enjoy this, might do some videos on herbal teas and the things that I'm making. So I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for being here and having a walk in my garden with me. And I will see you next time. Bye for now.